This is a demo of how custom branded storefronts can be set up, created, and published on the Team Stores app. We begin on the home page of the Team Stores app. Click Add Store to begin setting up your Team Store. Click Start Subscription if you don't have an active subscription. This will take you to the Shopify app subscription approval page. On this page, click Approve to approve the subscription. Click Add Store to add a new store. This example is for a company event. To begin, we will fill in the name of the storefront we'd like to create. Let us enter in Dunder Mifflin Inc. You may have guessed that we are fans of The Office. Click Create Store and you will be taken to the storefront settings page where you can set up different page attributes. This example is for a company sports event, so let's edit the handle appropriately. Let us fill in Annual Sports Fest as the subtitle for the event. Next, let us set up the banner image for the storefront. It's recommended that the banner image dimensions are 2,400 by 600 pixels. Click on Add File and upload the banner image file. Once the file is uploaded, let us set the overlay color to blue, matching the company's branding. We can choose to display only the custom banner you just created. Click Hide Store Default Footer to hide the default footer for your store. We can also hide the default collection banner and toggle a few other settings. Next, let us select the products we want to show on this storefront. Click Save Selected Products to save your product selections. Now click Publish to publish the store. You can also generate a QR code that links directly to this storefront. Share this with your clients for easy access. Click on the link to view the store. And with that, in just a few minutes, you have spun up a branded custom storefront for your customer. Customers can buy products and proceed to check out orders just like they always do. We will review the order management features a little later. A custom team store has now been created and published using the Team Stores app. You can verify success by visiting the store URL, sharing it via QR code or link, and confirming that the selected products are listed and available for purchase.